Keep it steady, slow, push it, push. The cable's holding, move it. Almost out, just a little more.
Excellent. The bodywork is flawless.
The wheels are on. Next, the headlights. Seats installed. Done.
Final check.
Looks perfect.